Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the concept of Windows Server Core 2008. So, concept is very simple of Windows Server Core 2008, and it's same as the Server 2008. Now, Server Core and Server 2008 with massive difference. Server 2008, we've already done lots of practicals on it. Server 2008 mainly work on GUI. Mainly the operating system is based on GUI, core graphical user interface. And similarly, server core is basically based on CLI, command line interface, means everything is in command. You have no options of start, no options of documents, and no options of server manager, like that, network interface. No. You have to be, you have to know the commands to get through it. You have to give command to operate the server core 2008, and this is the only bottom line, that you have to knows the command to operate server core 2008. Now, the versions of server core 2008 are same as the graphical one. You will find standard, enterprise, and data center. And well, this is what I'm talking about, the actual concept of operating system, the basic one, that we user first contact PowerShell GUI CLI, and that CLI will goes to kernel. That command goes to kernel. Kernel is the brain of our operating system, and then it will notify the firmware, the BIOS, and the hardware, and this process will go to simultaneously, that this hardware is required, this processor required, this core required, uh, and definitely GUI based operating system took more hardware than CLI one. So basic advantage, which I uh, recommend, that the for basic advantage of CLI is that it actually having, you will operate the server in very less hardware, not even require big server machine, that you will able to operate the server core in very less uh, hardware. And then another thing requires that it completes the task in very quick succession, very quick time. This is what the advantage is. The massive disadvantage is that professional, except professional people, no one able to access, and no one able to get through it, because you require command, and it only runs with command. So command is must for CLI. So only professional people able to access. This is the biggest drawback. And the second one is troubleshooting. Normally it took time to troubleshoot. The biggest advantage, again, where we advantage page, the biggest advantage, that the hacking is very hard task to hack server core machine. um, but a GUI is very simple when you have to access the file and all this. Okay, it just goes to documentation, and this is what the documentation is all about. Windows Server 2004 installation versus core installation, and the addition, which we have talking about. The additions are server core 2008, uh, both 62-bit and 64-bit and 32-bit are available. Enterprise, data center are available with both, and then web servers available. Itanium based system is not available, because since the hardware is very less for server core, so you do not require Itanium based systems. HPC is there. 64-bit again is absent for server core, and the Hyper-V, without Hyper-V, server 2008, like R2 version we are talking about. The R2 version is there, but without Hyper-V. Like we have 2008, but without Hyper-V, because that R2 means Hyper-V. So this is there. So basically, that three first three operating systems is there. Without and with it doesn't matter. Aren't you also having without Hyper-V? Now this is the Geo application available in server code. If that all this thing is available, command prompt is available. Microsoft support diagnostic tool, Notepad, registry editor, system information, task manager, Windows installer is available. This is of the Geo app available. Application not included in server core is this thing is about core. So Windows Explorer, this is not available. Themes, not available. MMC console, this is not available. All control panel utilities, exception of regional language and date and time. You can change date and time and regional and language by giving this command, except everything is absent as server core. So this is for server core. Okay. Hypertext Markup HTML is not available. Windows Mail is not available. Media Player is not available. Paint, Calculator, and WordPad is not available. So Hypertext Max Markup Language HTML. Okay. Supported roles which are available to server core is ADDS is there, ADFS not there, ADLS there, ADRMS not there, application server is not there, fax server is not there, network policy and access server is not there, NAP, and then terminal services, UDDI services, and WDS is also not available. Supported optional features are not available to server core is .NET Framework, Bit Server Extension, Connection Manager, Administrative Tool, and desktop experience. Group policy is not there. Internet printing client, internet storage name server, LPR port monitor, messaging queuing, and Peter. These are the remote assistants not there, since all our graphical thing is absent from server core. This is a long list which are not available. SMTP server not there. TFTP client, telnet server not there. PowerShell is not there because so it's the command is the only way to go through server core. Drivers supported by server core, this long list again. Standard VGA array, driver storage devices, and driver to network device adapters. This is the only thing. VGA is must, since bit graphical is there. You have to give the command call if you want to change time and date, then you will get the graphical interface once you give the command. Server's footprint, this is where the footprints of the bits, browser, where the start mode are, display name, what are those, so DSCP, DSP kind, DNS cache, those were the thing. There's a huge list of footprint, like these services are there. So NetLogon there. These are the things which are mainly there that this server core peers covers, and the server core consists. So this is what the concept of documentation. By documentation, we see that what the server core is all about. In next video, we will see the installation of server core. Hope you learned something from this. Thanks for watching.